Hey everybody, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today we're going to do probably the best barbecue sauce you've ever had. Myron Mixon, all the barbecue guys got nothing on this sauce, guaranteed. Y'all need to try it, you're going to love it. I'm going to bring you in and show you everything that's in it. This one I am actually doubling the sauce on. I've got a few other things we're going to do with it this week so that we'll be able to have it for other things. So, first ingredient is ketchup. You want 1 1/3 quarter cups of ketchup. And all you're going to do is bring it into a pot. And you're going to bring it up to basically a simmer. You can get it to a low boil. I wouldn't do any more. Pretty easy. Next one is a 1/2 cup of water. Then a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Sorry, I couldn't see the mark. And you're going to go 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. One tablespoon of ground red chili pepper, chili flakes. And you have 1 tablespoon of cumin, or cumin, however you want to say it. Everybody has their way. 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. And 1 1/2 teaspoons of medium to fine pepper. If you're using it in like a bottle to spray it out, you're going to want it a little more fine, so that way it will actually go through the bottle. Now you can have the option to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Couple dashes, and that's it. Stir it together. Doesn't look thick yet, but let's get this up to a little bit of a boil on a simmer, and we'll see how it looks here in just a few seconds. All right, now you can see it's starting to simmer, getting a little roll to it. I just cut my heat off. And if you're worried about it being too spicy or anything, you can always take the crushed red pepper out or add just not that much. Depends on your taste and your family's taste. And you can see it's a nice red sauce. Great flavor, great on ribs, great on pulled pork, great on brisket. We use it a lot for a lot of our recipes. So I hope y'all enjoyed this nice, quick, easy video, and we'll see y'all back here shortly with some ribs.